Hey, so why do your poses look like this? Whenever you start drawing poses, sometimes you make the hands too short, and sometimes the legs unnecessarily long. And yes, sometimes it also happens that you are not able to draw hands and feet like a reference photo. When you start drawing the poses in perspective, then your anatomy looks very stiff. So to solve all these problems, you also need that secret trick now, by using which I made my anatomy drawing like this. Like this. The secret trick, your poses, proportions, perspectives, and the poses that seem stiff will help you a lot in fixing them all. So, that is the secret. To divide. I explain how. Suppose there are two persons, person A and person B. Person A focuses on drawing the entire body anatomy. When he sits down to draw the anatomy, his focus is only on the result. Person A tries to draw all the things together, like draw directly without rough poses. He draws, and along with this, he also draws in perspective. He tries to add details and shadows together. Person A, after seeing the art of another artist, thinks that I will also draw like this. But when he does not get the desired result, person A starts panicking, due to which person A is not able to maintain consistency. Then he survives only on motivation. But person B is exactly opposite to this. Person B wakes up in the morning, then he practices lines for 10 minutes, then he practices shapes for 10 minutes. After that, he practices gestures for 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, person B starts drawing anatomy. Person B analyzes his poses drawing. I have the maximum week. So to know this, he practices poses for at least 1 hour. From this, he comes to know that, which part needs to be improved the most. Like he feels that today I have practiced poses for 1 hour, and in this I need to draw hands the most. That is why person B takes out separate time to level up his hands anatomy skill and keeps improving it like this, due to which he has a lot of time to improve his art skill further. In his free time, he watches tutorial videos. Person B, not on the result. Rather, he completely focuses on progress. So, now you tell me in the comments who will improve quickly, person A or person B, if you too struggle in drawing hands. So, I have made a separate video on this. You will find the link of which in the description if you found this video valuable. So, subscribe my YouTube channel